My name's Bella, the catwalk coach, and I'm preparing the big guys for the big show. Let's start with the first pose. If you want to look confident and sexy, take a step aside, turn, and lean back slightly. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Don't forget to keep your body tension. If you're wearing a dress, take one step ahead, lean back to highlight your hairy legs. Flip your hair, take your time, breathe, and when you're ready to hit the runway, lift your feet and kick off the walk. Stay focused and swing your hips. Place your hands on your waist elegantly to look even more confident. Lean back during your catwalk. Flip your hair again. Use different facial expressions to impress the audience. Look fierce and sexy. And one last thing, pirouette, turn, send a few kisses to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.